Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're exploring a gorgeous addition to any eyeshadow lover's collection, the Kiko Milano Bright Quartet Eyeshadow Palette in the shade 04 Smoky Eyes Profusion. Now, if you're someone who loves a good smoky eye or enjoys playing with rich, bold hues, then this palette might just be up your alley. Let's dive into the details and see if it lives up to the hype. The Kiko Milano Bright Quartet Eyeshadow Palette features 4 baked eyeshadows that promise a dynamic range of finishes, matte, shimmer, and a more satin-like texture for a complete, customizable look. Whether you're looking to keep things soft and subtle or build up a more intense, dramatic eye, these shadows are designed to give you that flexibility. You can wear them wet for more vibrancy or dry for a more diffused finish. It's this versatility that truly caught my attention. As for the shade range in the 04 Smoky Eyes Profusion set, you get a perfect mix of shades to create that sultry smoky eye. The palette includes a deep charcoal black, a rich taupe, a soft matte beige, and a shimmer-packed silvery gray. The fact that all 4 shades can be worn individually or blended together offers endless possibilities for creating everything from understated looks to something a little more daring. Now let's talk about the texture. Being baked eyeshadows, the formula has a smooth feel to it. The shimmer shades apply beautifully and have that reflective, almost metallic sheen without any fallout. The matte shades, on the other hand, provide solid color payoff without being too dry or powdery. But I will say, if you're after a super intense color payoff, applying these shadows wet is the way to go. In terms of longevity, these eyeshadows did a decent job. I wore them for several hours, and they held up well without major creasing or fading. I did notice that the deeper shades performed better in terms of longevity, whereas the lighter shimmer needed a little touch-up by the afternoon, especially if you have oily eyelids like mine. When it comes to ease of use, I found the Kiko Milano Bright Quartet Eyeshadow Palette to be beginner-friendly. The shadows blend well, and even though it's a smoky palette, you don't need to be a makeup pro to get a seamless application. That said, I think makeup enthusiasts with a little more experience will appreciate how customizable the palette is for more complex eye looks. Let's break it down. Pros: versatile shades with a good mix of matte, shimmer, and satin finishes. Can be worn wet or dry for customizable intensity. Easy to blend formula, great for all levels of makeup experience. Decent longevity and minimal fallout. Compact, travel-friendly design. Cons: the shimmer shades may require a bit of a touch-up throughout the day. The color payoff isn't as strong when applied dry, especially for the lighter shades. Some people may find the palette a bit small for the price point, depending on how much eyeshadow you typically use. When it comes to value for money, the Kiko Milano Bright Quartet Eyeshadow Palette is priced in the mid-range for baked shadows, but it delivers a solid performance. While it's not the most affordable option out there, the quality of the formula and the ability to build versatile looks means you're getting decent value for your investment, especially considering how long a little bit of this product lasts. As for comparisons, there are other palettes that offer a similar smoky eye vibe, like the Urban Decay Naked Smoky palette or the MAC Smoky Eye Compact. But Kiko Milano's price point definitely makes it a more budget-friendly alternative without sacrificing too much on quality. Final verdict? This eyeshadow palette is a great pick if you love creating smoky eyes and want something versatile that won't break the bank. It's user-friendly, and the shades work well for both day-to-night looks. Whether you're a makeup newbie or a seasoned pro, this is a reliable addition to your beauty arsenal. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've used this palette, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.